Hi guys, here is how to add clickable link to your YouTube studio or YouTube channel. So what you need is your YT studio. If you don't have YT studio on your phone, you can easily go to Play Store or Apple Store to download one. Here I'm on my YT studio, but I would like to go back to show you what it looks like on Play Store or Apple Store. It's the same logo it carries, either for iPhone or Android. So just type in YT Studio and this is what you will see. So I already have mine installed, so I'll just click open and you click on your channel profile picture. It will bring out a page like this. Click on that pencil, that edit arrow, click on add link. After clicking on add link, tap on that plus sign and you add the title of the link you want to add to your YouTube channel. It could be your Instagram link, it could be your Twitter link, it could be any link at all. It could be a link to your website and the like. So in this video I'll be adding a link from my Instagram. So let's open Instagram. So I'll copy the link of my Instagram. So here I'm trying to copy the link. I just click on share profile, tap on copy link. Tap on copy link and I'll come back to YT Studio. Like I said before, add the title of the link you want to add, then paste the link. If you can see, I can leave it at instagram.com/Selenesi_1 and it will still work, but I want to make it shorter by adding it like this. So just click on add, click save, and you're done on your YT Studio. Just close the YT Studio. You can refresh it before closing it. Just refresh it, close it, and go to the YouTube app itself. Open your YouTube app. Open your YouTube app and allow it to load, and then you can see the Instagram.com there. Just click on it and it will open like this. Just click on open Instagram and it will automatically take you to my Instagram page. As you can see, we are on my Instagram page back. So that is how to add link to your Instagram channel. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and like, follow, share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.